In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Google in Hostinger. If your Hostinger account is currently connected to Google for sign-in and you want to remove that connection, the process is very straightforward. You'll be doing everything directly from inside your Hostinger account settings, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. As always, make sure you're signed into the correct account before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one website or hosting profile. To begin, open your Hostinger account and log in as you normally would. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a quick look around to confirm that you're on the main account area. This is where you can manage your personal settings, billing details, and sign-in options. Next, click on your profile. You'll usually find this in the upper area of the dashboard, where your account menu is located. When you open the Profile section, you'll see several options related to your account preferences and personal details. This is the place where Hostinger stores the settings connected to how you access your account. From there, click on Account Information. This section contains the main details tied to your account, including connected login methods. If you don't immediately see everything you need, don't worry. Some options may appear farther down the page. Now, scroll down until you locate the Google section. This is where Hostinger shows whether your account is linked to Google. Once you find it, click Unlink. After that, simply follow the prompts displayed on your screen. Hostinger may ask you to confirm the action before it removes the connection, so just read each message carefully and continue through the process. As you complete the prompts, keep in mind that unlinking Google may affect how you sign in next time. If you usually log in with Google, make sure your account also has another login method set up, such as a password, so you don't run into access issues later. It's always a good idea to double-check your login settings before finishing. And that's it. Once the prompts are completed, your Google account will be unlinked from Hostinger. If the change doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and check the Google section again to confirm the update. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly and easily remove the Google connection from your Hostinger account.